Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commodity commentary for Monday. Sort of a nasty day depending on one's perspective. USDA came out today with their quarterly grain stocks numbers. Essentially, we're bearish for corn, bearish for beans, and I guess neutral, a little positive for wheat. There was no cotton number, but nonetheless, cotton did trade up. It's 87.12, up about 50 points. Of course, cotton continues to reflect the fear that maybe the Chinese and the Indian crops might come up short. And, of course, our own cotton crop in this country, I think particularly in the southeast, has been wounded over the last 45 days or so with heavy rains. The corn market today down about maybe 12 cents. These corn going out around 442. They were looking for 688 million bushels on the stocks number as of September 1st. That came out at 824. So the market didn't like that one iota. And, of course, down we went. We actually took out the August low that had held us for a long time, which was 445. So we've taken that out and closed below it. And that makes the charts look mighty nasty. Over in the soybeans, they were looking for 126 million bushel carry out. That came out at 141. And so beans really took it hard. We were under $13 in spot November. Going out around 12.82, 12.83, down about 37 cents. And so that certainly weighed on the beans. And there's a supply-demand number coming out around October the 11th or 12th, so they may amend some of this stuff. Over in the wheat, they were looking for 1.93 billion bushels, came out 1.83. So wheat actually traded up. As a matter of fact, that wheat-corn spread we've been harping on worked for another 7 to 10 cents today. Although late in the day, wheat did see some profit-taking type selling, and they haven't settled the market yet. But nonetheless, in and of themselves, again, the numbers were negative for corn, negative for beans, positive for wheat. Now, later on today, we'll get the weekly crop condition report, and that might have a little bit of a play on the market come tomorrow. Of course, other big news is the potential government shutdown that has the financial markets up in an uproar. Stock markets down over 100. Crude oil's down over $1. The U.S. dollar's down somewhat. They've got about 9 hours to figure out this spending thing, which I don't know if they will or not. I think they'll just keep printing money. But nonetheless, that's got a lot of the markets unnerved. What effect that might have on the grains could be the fact that if some of these big-time funds and speculators elect to get out of the financial markets or get in trouble in the financial markets, they may sell out of their grain holdings just to raise some money to cover their losses. But that's something we'll have to wait for and just see if that even develops. At any rate, we'll be on here tomorrow. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.